Hello all, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's me Rashi over here, and in today's video I'm going to paint an abstract painting of Lord Shiva and Parvati. So to begin with, I'm drawing the sketch of my painting. Now my sketch is ready, and to begin with the painting, I'm starting with the nose area and I will be covering the forehead as well with the blue color. For this shade of blue, I have mixed Prussian blue color with white. Here I have mixed green color in my blue color to get a peacock green color. Now for the face, I am using mid yellow color. If you do not have mid yellow color, you can make your own by mixing orange with a little bit of yellow. So basically it is kind of mustard color. Now for the trishul and the eyes, I have mixed yellow with the white. Now I am mixing scarlet with white to cover the lips and the bindi. For the hair of goddess Parvati, I am using black color. For the hair of Shiva, I am using blue color, as well as I will be using mustard yellow color. For the shadowing purpose, I am using a darker shade of all the colors. For the remaining part of the hair, I will be using blue color as well as yellow color to get a greenish effect. Now I am using dabbing technique to create some texture in the hair. Now I will quickly complete the outlining of my painting. To create few highlights in my painting, I am using white color. Now my painting is almost ready, and for the background I am filling it with flowers. So I am just drawing random flowers in the background. Now for the background I am using yellow, purple and blue color as the base of the flowers. Since I had no clue how my flowers will be looking, so I'm covering the background area first. So for the background I'm using yellow green color. So you can make your yellow green color by mixing a part of green color in your yellow. Now finally I will be completing my flowers in shades of purple and blue, and also I will be adding white to create some textures. So finally my painting is complete and it has come out to be so beautiful. Do create it guys and share it with me on my Insta handle. I would love to see them. Thank you for watching the video. Do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe.